Then I can bring up the Vision Assist and I can look at DJI recently released an update for the Mini 5 Pro and I believe the Lido X1, and there's a enhancement of an existing feature that is significant. In order to utilize the new feature, you need to update to 121.8. I will not show you the update process during this video. Once you get it installed, you need to bring up the Mini 5 Pro or the Light 1, and you need to depress the three dots in the upper right hand corner, get to the safety menu, scroll down until you get to Vision Assist Auto Display, turn that on, and then return to the home or the main screen. Once you get to the main screen, you will have your normal setup where your compass or your map is in the lower left hand corner. You will tap on the lower right hand corner of the map or attitude indicator. Then you will get the Vision Assist. Tap anywhere on that and you will get the Vision Assist full screen. You can toggle back and forth between full screen of the Vision Assist or full screen of what the drone sees by just tapping and alternating between the two. Once you have the full screen Vision Assist in front of you, you can decide if you want to look at the side view or going left side, right side. Then you can go to the front and you can go to the back. And if you want, you can even look on the downside so you can see the ground. So you can look at basically all the directions you want. And if you want, you can actually lock that so you can see just one direction. It's great to be able to look at all the different directions. And if you are wanting to go backwards or to the side or when most accidents happen, you can do that. So it should be able to provide less stress and less chance of accidents. The next thing I want to show are some live shots of Vision Assist. Then I can bring up the Vision Assist and I can look at the different sides. I can look at the left side or the right side, straight ahead, or in back. Or if I want, I can look at the downward at the ground. So I can look at all directions at one time and be able to see what's close to me. This is particularly handy, I believe, if you look at the rear and the sides when you're flying. Side to side and going backwards is when a lot of crashes could happen. In conclusion, this new update will make flying more enjoyable and less stressful. As always, thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this content, please like and comment on me. Let me know what you think of the new feature and subscribe. I'd appreciate it. Thank you, God bless, and have a great day.